Once upon a time, in a small village in Africa, there lived a poor boy who had to work long and hard hours every day just to help his family survive. Despite his difficult living conditions, the boy was determined to make something of himself. He knew that if he didn't do something extraordinary, he would end up like his father, who was a drunkard and a poor farmer. The boy didn't want to be a burden on his mother, who worked as a market trader to put food on the table. One day, while walking barefoot through the village, the boy came across an old woman who was sitting outside her hut. The old woman was known throughout the village for her knowledge of herbal medicine and was respected by everyone. The boy, out of curiosity, decided to approach her and ask if she could help him with his school books. To his surprise, the old woman agreed and not only helped him with his school books, but also gave him some life-changing advice. She told him that if he wanted to be successful, he had to be willing to work harder than everyone else and never give up on his dreams. The old woman's words inspired the boy to take his studies seriously, and he started working harder than ever before. After finishing high school, the boy decided to pursue higher education and became the first person in his family to attend university. During his free time at university, instead of hanging out with friends or playing video games, the boy immersed himself in learning about artificial intelligence. He was fascinated by the potential of amazing the world and knew that this was the field he wanted to dedicate his career to. After graduating from university, the boy went on to become a successful AI engineer, and his life took a drastic turn. He got high-paying job offers from all over the world and was even invited to speak at international conferences. But no matter how successful he became, the boy never forgot the words of the old woman who had inspired him to work hard and pursue his dreams. The boy who had once been poor and barefoot was now a millionaire, and he used his wealth to help others in his village. He built schools and hospitals and made sure that no child in his village had to go through the same hardships that he had endured. The boy's story is a reminder that no matter how difficult your beginnings may be, it's never too late to achieve your dreams. With hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn, anyone can become successful.